I'm never going to buy another drone, he said. I don't need any more drones. I've got an Air 3 and a Mini 4 Pro and an Avata. I don't need any more drones. So what have you gone out and bought?
Mavic 4 Pro.
A Mavic 4 Pro.
Create a combo.
Create a combo with the flash controller.
Ta-da!
So we've come down to the park again and we're going to give it a go and test it out, and what I want to do mainly in this video is show you examples of the video quality, the photo quality and the zoom lenses. So off we go.
Yeah.
So the controller's got a 7-inch screen, 2000 nit